This is the DaVinci Autumn 4-in-1 convertible crib. This is in white, as you can see, and this crib has been great. So little guy who sleeps in here, he's 2 years old now. You can see that we've gotten rid of the wall here, and also the bottom portion. We put a Regalo swing down rail. So this rail just swings down once it's unlocked on both sides, like so. There we go, so that can swing down. You can see that this crib is solid with a smaller mattress here. We have the actual bottom there, which has a couple springs on the sides, so it's fairly comfortable. And the crib was fairly easy to put together. Stands up, no problem at all. There was definitely some jumping in the bed, some monkeys in the bed, and this bed has been pretty solid so far. He's comfortable in it. He's got all the space that he needs. As a crib, it was good. It was convenient for us to not have too high of a wall, so you can see that picking up right into here, reaching to the mattress is no problem at all. So if you're looking for a beautiful white crib, this is a very simple one, and recommend it for the price.